We all rely on our apps to keep us updated, but when a new version drops, what actually changes? Today we're diving into the latest update for the Spiff mobile app, and there are some significant, user-focused improvements that are worth checking out. The biggest shift is a complete reorientation of your mobile commission statement. Spiff has listened to user feedback and moved the primary view from focusing on complicated payout rules to centering everything around your deals. This means it's now much clearer to see exactly which deals are driving your commission payouts, and by how much. You get instant clarity on your earnings. This is a game changer for visibility. Now, right in your pocket, you can easily get answers to those crucial questions. What are the details of my pending deals? How is that one big sale impacting my current period payout? Where am I tracking against my quota? The redesigned app emphasizes real-time data, putting the power of your commission information right at your fingertips. Instead of digging through spreadsheets or sending off requests to finance, you see a clean, intuitive breakdown. This real-time transparency is key. It keeps you focused on selling and confident in what you're earning. For sales leaders and operations teams, this update also simplifies life. By giving reps immediate, detailed answers, the new app cuts down on one-off commission data requests. That means less time spent manually managing statements and more time on strategic work. In short, the latest Spiff mobile update is all about clarity, real-time access, and an improved user experience centered on the data that matters most, your deals and your money. Go check it out now and see your commissions in a whole new, much clearer light.